Hey everyone, this is Mark with the Bitcoin Exchange channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you are listening from. July 4th, 2018, Independence Day here in the United States of America. Holiday. I am cooking steaks as I speak. When I get done with this, we will be barbecue eating machines. We're going to do another sponsored review, Trivver, Trivver.com. I like this project. It is in the virtual reality industry, a $200 billion industry, quite a project, quite an industry. I'm kind of excited about this particular one. Banned countries include the United States, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, Trivver.com with two V's. One Ethereum equals about 750 TRVR. That's the call letters of the coin, TRVR, and that's about 63 cents US dollars as of today, July 4th, 2018. So let's take a peek at this. I've got a video I want to play you. Generally, I cap my videos about 2 minutes. This one comes in a little bit longer, 3 minutes. Maybe I'll either talk faster or maybe not say as much. How's that? Okay, so we're going to jump in here real quick and look at this quick video. As soon as we can get it loaded, there we go.
Visceral video games, immersive movies, front row center entertainment, virtual tours and dazzling images serve to enhance reality. Welcome to the new world of XR reality, where the future of advertising resides. XR delivers next-generation content through virtual, 3D, and augmented reality technologies. New frontiers for consumers, certainly, and brands that want to reach them. Until now, there exists no platform that makes it easy for XR content creators to monetize their environments and for companies to easily deliver natural and highly personalized ads to consumers. Introducing Trivver, the multi-patented, most cutting-edge advertising platform ever to be created. Initially developed for consumers bombarded with irrelevant and disruptive ads, Trivver also solves the advertiser's greatest quest to deliver low-cost, personalized, and natural advertising designed to achieve the greatest chance of conversion success. From inception, deployment, tracking, and personalization, Trivver will enable companies to easily deliver highly targeted next-generation advertising, all while completely disrupting traditional advertising models by rewarding consumers through an incentive-based digital token system. First, the foundation of Trivver, the 3D branded smart object, the critical ingredient of XR advertising, given traditional ads such as banners and video typically disrupt these experiences. We call it one and done. Forget the frustrating and expensive process of having to resize an object endless amounts of times to fit locations. With Trivver, all an advertiser needs to do is establish who they want to reach. Then deliver a single branded object and let Trivver dynamically resize it so that it automatically fits those environments that best match the target audience. For content developers, Trivver will make it easy to monetize environments by connecting them to a vast library of branded smart objects. With a branded object in place through its patented data engine, Trivver will then have the unique ability to track consumers across all devices, such as desktop, mobile, and tablets. Using its sophisticated algorithms empowered by artificial intelligence, Trivver will then deliver personalized branded objects to the consumer, while simultaneously eliminating wasteful locations in order to maximize return on investment. Next up, the Trivver Smart Tab, an extension of the Trivver Exchange that provides consumers with a trove of information along with the ability to receive discount offers, share through social media, and make purchases. These powerful features, plus capabilities that will protect brand safety, eliminate ad fraud, and more, will all reside on the Trivver XR Exchange, the pioneering patented platform that will match advertisers with content creators looking to monetize their digital environments. Join us in building the next generation of advertising so that the ultimate quest for relevant, effective, and natural ads can finally exist with Trivver in place.
Trivver, what a big project. Pretty cool from what I can see so far. In the video we just watched, we heard the word monetized over and over again. And folks, that's what makes the world go round. Nobody likes working for free. Nobody likes watching ads for free. Annoying pop-up ads, I'll pass. Here, Trivver is going to do something about it. So we all like the word monetize. Ironically, I got an email from YouTube this morning. They are going to monetize the Bitcoin exchange channel. We're actually going to get paid with the amount of traffic that we bring to YouTube, and that's a good thing. Everybody likes monetizing, and Trivver is doing a good job monetizing. Trivver is a comprehensive XR advertising platform. We're talking virtual reality here, folks. I like virtual reality. A year or so ago, my wife bought me one of those virtual reality things that you strap to your eyes, and I can be skiing while I'm in my living room. Pretty cool. I like virtual reality. What I did not know is that this is a $200 billion industry. The token, the pre-token sale is over. We'll jump into the numbers on that quickly, but Trivver's revolutionary technology, you can see on your screen, allows ad agencies, networks, advertisers to create and run ad campaigns in extended reality environments. Trivver's ad exchange service branded content to a target audience in extended reality environments by seamlessly integrating 3D models of the brand's branded smart object. The professionalism of this project is incredible. The 3D ads. Okay, look at this one right here. I'm going to let that run for a second. This is the kind of technology and professionalism these guys bring to the table. How cool is that? Very, very professional. Everything I've looked at this project so far, and hence the reason why I am doing an ICO review. If I don't like your project, well, you know what? I'll do it if I don't like the project. But if I don't see a benefit from it, then I will not do a project. Even if it is a sponsored ICO review, I'll pass on it. Trivver Smart Tab on your phone, an app, pretty cool. It's got a slide-out panel, enables users to discover details and more about XR brands. In contrast to conventional advertising format, the Smart Tab provides non-disruptive experience. Users can choose to engage, purchase, download discounts directly to the app for later use. Okay, this is for users, publishers, advertisers, brands. Everybody along the way gets to be monetized. Pretty cool. They've got to do a great job of getting rid of those annoying pop-up, very intrusive ads that we all hate to see. I'll avoid some websites completely because of their pop-up ads. I don't mind one or two. I get it. I understand paid advertising. I totally get the gig. But if it's annoying, I'll avoid that site completely. And Trivver is going to do something about that. Beta testing they're doing now. If you want to jump in and sign up for that, click on this link here at trivver.com, Trivver. There's their blog, token announcement sale, XR reports. You guys can take a look at this, contact information. We'll jump into the white page just fairly quickly. Here's their blog. Token sale announcement, June 15th. It started. It has ended. 1 Ethereum, 700 TRVR, as we discussed earlier. And there is the token sale summary. How Trivver populate the world of extended reality, XR with smart objects. There's contact information as well. So we're going to jump into the white pages, as generally is not my custom. I'm not going to sit here and read 23 pages of white pages to you. You can do that on your own. I'm just highlight a few things that kind of jumped out at me. And we are not. I always check this because I love the hyperlinked. As we can see, we're not hyperlinked. They still get a passing grade. Run through the disclaimers and the abstract. Let's see anything we need to jump in here. $200 billion revenue we discussed earlier, and by 2035, and we'll see that again on the timeline, they're projecting that the XR industry will have a $3 trillion revenue by 2035. Pretty big marketing world that they are in. They can reach people all over the globe. It's a big event, $2 trillion by 2035, and that's just what, 17 years down the road. All right, here's the distribution. June 15th it started. It ran for 105 days. 60 million available. This is an Ethereum-based project. Obviously, the hard cap, 33,333 Ethereum. Pre-sale cap is 10,000, and of course the pre-sale is gone. These are the pre-sale dates. Now we're looking at the actual token sale. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Here's the overview. We'll jump into this, and I won't spend much time, but I love reading through this earlier because I lived through the computer age, and this is what it talks about. Every time people make computers work more like we do, every time we remove another layer of abstraction between us and them, computers become more broadly accessible. In the beginning, a person could communicate with a computer only by rewiring it. Punch cards, remember the punch card days? Made computers more programmable. Later came the command line, the blinking command line. Remember that? And right after this came the blinking DOS. Pretty cool. Major breakthroughs, 1970s, computers became visual for the first time with the graphic user interface. 1980s, computers would communicate with each other with a language called transmission control protocol. Suddenly, far more people could relate. Now you can't find a person anywhere hardly that doesn't have a computer, not only a laptop or maybe a desktop, but in the palm of their hand in the form of phones. We've come a long way, folks. Many abstractions still remain. When you call video, call a friend and see them, not as you would in real life, but a small version of themselves. When you visit the Louvre, I just came from there too, having a hard time pronouncing the Louvre, and I actually went to see the Mona Lisa just a few weeks ago. But you might expect a map or an audio tour, which we did. You could use it on your smartphone, but you won't have access to decades of historical context for the work, or the ability to compare the painting to others, or check this out, how it would look in your own living room. These are the things that you can do in the virtual reality industry, in the XR industry. Virtual reality, it's kind of like not reality, but you can make it reality just by jumping in and living and looking at the technology. Extended reality technology. This is a great project. In fact, this is probably one of the most professional projects I've ever done. Certainly the most professional in this industry. Great job, the folks at Trivver. Widespread proliferation of new medium plays with and alters our perception of space, time, and physical presence. How cool is that? Because I just came from Epcot Center here in the United States. It's all about tomorrow and the things that we are going to have coming down the pike. Smartphone use, we mentioned earlier, less intrusive headsets. Technology is heading our way. This is a great project if you are into AR, MR, mixed reality. Virtual reality, of course, is a huge, huge industry. $215 billion by 2021. So you can go through this when you get a chance. XR by the numbers, pretty big numbers if you ask me. Projected revenue 3 years from today, 2021, a $215 billion industry. 17 years from now, $2.2 trillion. So if you like virtual reality, you like making a little bit of money or a whole lot of money, this is a great project you will want to look into. Don't forget the banned countries that I mentioned earlier: Malaysia, United States, China, Indonesia. Make sure your country is able to participate in this project before you jump in with the ICO investment. This is a neat project. Like it. Take a look at it. Here's the white pages, 23 pages long. Look at it when you get a chance. Here's kind of a Q&A. It basically says what it does with the advertisers, the publishers, things of that nature. And of course, down at the bottom is you and me, the consumer. Tells you how to monetize the XR platform. Very professional. I've gone all the way through this. Hit the exchanges. This is a project that I think it's going to do well. But before, when I make a comment like that, always have to follow it up with always do due diligence. It is your money. Act like it before you invest it. Here's the catalog. I like VR. Can you tell? I wanted to do this project. I'm a fan of virtual reality. Pretty cool stuff. So here's the white paper, available for download. Obviously, Trivver.com. Neat project, just around the corner. There's a GSO submission. You guys can take a look at this when you get a chance. Due diligence before you jump into this project. Pretty cool. Here's the Trivver distribution. 50% going to the public. That's us, obviously. And here's the roadmap. Particularly, I like about this, if you've watched more than one of my videos, you will notice that I like a road map that goes back more than breakfast that morning. Come on, folks, let's do an ICO this evening. Anybody on it? And you know, there are programs out there that come together pretty quick, and I call them pump and dumps. These guys started in 2014 all the way 15, 16, 17, and this is where we're at now, the token distribution. So they got a great roadmap. They've been at this business a long time. Here's the founder and chief executive officer, the staff, Alan Half, president, chief data officer, chief tech officer, several people on the team here. Here's the leadership team, product manager, director, smart object promotion, advisors. Now, one thing I don't like about this, I don't see any LinkedIn hyperlinked on here, and that's I'm not a fan of that. I like to know these are real people, that I can go to the LinkedIn site, make sure they're actually tied to the project, kind of check out where they've been, where they haven't been, you know, see what qualifies them to do what they do. The team certainly is large enough. I do like the number of people on the team, you know, and looking at the professionalism of these people, project managers, you know, I can see these guys are, you know, have good titles. You can't really back up, you know, what they've done prior to that because I can't go into their LinkedIn accounts, Twitter, things of that nature. But, you know, it is what it is. I have my preferences, and I don't always get everything I want. So that's it, folks. This is the Trivver. Big, big industry. 2 to 3 years, $218 billion. Thank you for subscribing. Do me a favor. Those of you who haven't subscribed, hit the big red subscribe button. We appreciate you listening in, watching our videos, doing reviews. I'll be doing another one probably today. A couple of more non-sponsored videos we're going to be doing over the next day or two. So thanks for being with us. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching the videos. And as always, you know what I'm going to say. We will see you in the future.